Hi, Vanessa Donaldson here, your reset coach. Today I'm talking about nature breaks. So get ready, set, slow. Slow down. Don't rush. Take a break with me. Doing the van life has taught me the value and importance of getting back to nature. How can nature inspire, connect, and guide you? What are some of the benefits from spending time in nature? It improves your mood, reduces feelings of stress or anger, helps you take time out to feel more relaxed, improves your physical health, improves your confidence and self-esteem, helps you be more active, helps you meet and get to know new people, connects you to your local community, reduces loneliness, has a calming effect, reduces anxiety, depression, and OCD, relieves physical and mental stress. So get unplugged in nature. To continue our conversation, you can reach me at resetwithvanessa.com.